Welcome to eGreen Channel. Smoothie bowls have taken the health world by storm, and it's easy to see why. These delightful bowls are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. They are a delicious and convenient way to enjoy a nutritious meal, perfect for breakfast, a snack, or even dessert. The versatility of smoothie bowls makes them a favorite among health enthusiasts. Imagine a thick, creamy smoothie, but eaten with a spoon and adorned with an array of toppings. From crunchy granola to fresh berries, the possibilities are endless. That's the magic of a smoothie bowl. Each bite offers a new combination of flavors and textures, making every spoonful a delightful experience. They are all about vibrant colors, exciting textures, and most importantly, good-for-you ingredients. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these bowls are a nutritional powerhouse. What sets smoothie bowls apart is their versatility. You can mix and match ingredients to suit your mood and nutritional needs. You can tailor them to your taste and dietary needs with endless combinations of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Whether you prefer a tropical twist with mango and pineapple or a more earthy flavor with spinach and kale, the choice is yours. Whether you're a seasoned smoothie enthusiast or a curious newbie, get ready to dive into the world of smoothie bowls. There's always something new to discover and enjoy. In the upcoming sections, we'll unravel the secrets of crafting the perfect smoothie bowl. From choosing the right base to selecting the perfect toppings, we've got you covered. We'll explore the nutritional powerhouses that form the base of these delicious creations and provide you with a simple, easy-to-follow recipe. You'll learn how to balance flavors and textures to create a bowl that's not only healthy, but also incredibly satisfying. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that is as healthy as it is delicious. With our tips and tricks, you'll be making Instagram-worthy smoothie bowls in no time. One of the best things about smoothie bowls is that they are packed with nutrient-rich ingredients. These vibrant bowls are not only visually appealing, but also offer a wide range of health benefits, making them a perfect choice for a nutritious meal or snack. Let's take a look at some of the common ingredients and their health benefits. Each ingredient brings its own unique set of nutrients and flavors to the table, contributing to the overall goodness of the smoothie bowl. Bananas, a great source of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. They also provide energy and aid in digestion. Bananas are naturally sweet, making them a perfect base for any smoothie bowl, and they help to create a creamy texture. Spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including iron, folate, and vitamins A, C, and K. It's low in calories and high in fiber. Adding spinach to your smoothie bowl boosts your intake of essential nutrients without altering the taste significantly. Almond milk. A dairy-free alternative to cow's milk, almond milk is low in calories and rich in vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. It adds a subtle nutty flavor and a smooth consistency to your smoothie bowl, making it a great choice for those who are lactose intolerant or prefer plant-based options. Granola provides a satisfying crunch and is a good source of fiber and whole grains. Look for varieties that are low in added sugar. Granola not only enhances the texture of your smoothie bowl, but also keeps you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Seeds, chia, flax, hemp. These tiny seeds are nutritional giants packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They add a boost of nutrition and a pleasant texture to your bowl. Including a variety of seeds ensures you get a mix of essential fatty acids and other vital nutrients. Fruits, berries, mango, pineapple. Bursting with flavor, fruits are a natural source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Their sweetness adds a delicious touch to your smoothie bowl. Each type of fruit brings its own unique benefits, such as the high vitamin C content in berries and the digestive enzymes in pineapple. By combining these nutrient-rich ingredients, you create a symphony of flavors and a powerhouse of nutrition in every spoonful. Each bite not only delights your taste buds, but also fuels your body with essential nutrients, making smoothie bowls a perfect blend of health and taste. Ready to create your own masterpiece? This basic recipe is a great starting point. Feel free to get creative and add your own personal touch. Ingredients: 1 frozen banana, sliced, 1 cup spinach, ½ cup almond milk, 1/4 cup frozen berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 tablespoon nut butter, almond butter, peanut butter. Instructions. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Add more almond milk if needed to reach your desired consistency. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Toppings. 1/4 cup granola. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, sliced banana. Fresh berries. This recipe is a simple guide. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruits, vegetables, and toppings to create your own signature smoothie bowl. One of the most appealing aspects of smoothie bowls is their adaptability. Whether you follow a vegan, gluten-free, or paleo diet, you can easily customize your bowl to suit your needs. For vegans, simply ensure you're using plant-based milk and yogurt alternatives. Gluten-free eaters can opt for gluten-free granola or choose toppings like quinoa puffs or chopped nuts. Paleo enthusiasts can use coconut milk as a base and top their bowls with fresh fruit, coconut flakes, and nuts. The possibilities are endless. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Section 5. A feast for the eyes, the allure of texture and color. Smoothie bowls are not just about taste, they are a feast for the eyes as well. The visual appeal of a beautifully crafted smoothie bowl is undeniable. The vibrant colors of the fruits and vegetables, the contrasting textures of the creamy base and crunchy toppings, and the artistic arrangements all contribute to a truly satisfying experience. The key to a visually appealing smoothie bowl is to use a variety of colors and textures. Think vibrant berries, leafy greens, crunchy nuts, and seeds. Arrange your toppings in an aesthetically pleasing way, creating patterns or simply scattering them casually. Remember, you eat with your eyes first. So take your time, get creative, and make your smoothie bowl a work of art. Section 6. Unleash your inner artist tips for smoothie bowl success. Creating the perfect smoothie bowl is easier than you might think. With just a few simple steps, you can make a delicious and visually stunning smoothie bowl right in your own kitchen. Here are a few tips to help you along the way. These will ensure your smoothie bowl is not only tasty, but also Instagram-worthy. Using frozen fruits and vegetables will give your smoothie bowl a thicker, creamier texture. This is key to achieving that perfect consistency. You want your smoothie bowl to be thick enough to hold its toppings, so avoid over-blending. A few small chunks of fruit are perfectly fine. They add a bit of texture and make each bite interesting. The toppings are where you can really let your creativity shine. Think of your smoothie bowl as a blank canvas. Experiment with different fruits, nuts, seeds, granola, and even spices. The combinations are endless, and you can tailor it to your taste preferences. For a more visually appealing bowl, layer your toppings instead of just piling them on top. This creates a beautiful layered effect that looks as good as it tastes. Start with the drizzles, like honey or yogurt, followed by the crunchy toppings, and finish with the fresh fruit. This order helps to balance the flavors and textures. Making a smoothie bowl should be fun and easy. It's a great activity to do with family or friends, and everyone can customize their own bowl. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The more you practice, the better you'll get at creating the perfect smoothie bowl every time. Section 7. Beyond breakfast smoothie bowls for every occasion. While smoothie bowls are often associated with breakfast, their versatility extends far beyond the morning meal. They make an excellent choice for a quick and healthy lunch, a post-workout snack, or even a light and refreshing dessert. Need a midday pick-me-up? Whip up a smoothie bowl with energizing ingredients like spinach, banana, and nut butter. Looking for a post-workout refuel? Opt for a protein-packed bowl with Greek yogurt, berries, and a scoop of protein powder. Craving something sweet and satisfying? Indulge in a dessert-inspired bowl with cocoa powder, banana, and a drizzle of honey. With endless combinations and variations, smoothie bowls can be enjoyed any time of day, making them a delicious and convenient choice for any occasion. Section 8. A world of flavor exploring different combinations. One of the most exciting aspects of smoothie bowls is the endless possibilities for flavor combinations. From tropical delights to chocolatey indulgences, there's a smoothie bowl out there for every palate. Transport yourself to a tropical paradise with a mango, pineapple, and coconut milk base, topped with fresh mango chunks, toasted coconut flakes, and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Satisfy your chocolate cravings with a blend of banana, spinach, almond milk, and cocoa powder, adorned with sliced bananas, chopped almonds, and a drizzle of honey. Don't be afraid to get adventurous and experiment with different flavor profiles. The only limit is your imagination. Section 9. Embrace the smoothie bowl lifestyle. Smoothie bowls are more than just a meal, they are a lifestyle. They represent a commitment to healthy eating, mindful living, and embracing the goodness that nature has to offer. By incorporating smoothie bowls into your routine, you're not just nourishing your body with essential nutrients, you're also cultivating a sense of creativity and mindfulness in the kitchen. The process of selecting fresh ingredients, blending them into a symphony of flavors, and artfully arranging your toppings is a meditative experience that allows you to connect with your food and appreciate the simple pleasures of a wholesome meal. So, go ahead, embrace the smoothie bowl lifestyle, and experience the transformative power of these delicious and nutritious creations. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to the Eat Green channel, the brainchild of Said Mustafa, a passionate public health professional and visionary. The channel is dedicated to sharing essential insights for a healthier and happier life. Stay tuned for more interesting facts.